103.5FM. Remember that you can become part of the conversation by sending your reactions via SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080 You can as well send SMS on 081 38 or 081 39 Still on the stories making the headlines on Nigerian newspapers this morning, from the Guardian newspaper, we'll flip over to the leadership newspaper. Zamfara youths urge Tinubu to consider Dan Fulani 2027. There is vacancy. Group commends Senate over successful burial of wires. British American University rewards Nigeria entrepreneurs. Umaru Chinkafi commended for reforms in solid minerals development. Disquiet in NCAA over appointment of substantive DG. Appointments. Para-government. Appointments. Para-governor celebrates Sheikh. Professor Abikan. Abu Razak urges police trust fund to patronize para-garment factory. Technocrat Abba Yusuf is Governor of the Year 2024. Castina spends 1.9 billion naira on bursary disbursement. Food Security, NALDA, NCRFMI to engage 3.1 million internally displaced persons and refugees. Zulum names housing estate after Vice President Chetima, Nigeria and the future of children. When e-transactions fail, breaking barriers to maternal health with family planning solutions. Desperate politicians aiding banditry group. Sokoto Hispa impounds 200 cartons of alcoholic drinks. Tinubu to German delegation. Energy, solid minerals, top priority. Disquiet in NCAA over appointment of substantive DG. Nigeria's oil output rises to 1.69 million barrels per day, highest in 44 months. At 75th anniversary of Arabic Institute, students others celebrate late Sheikh Amelur Lahi. Oni of Ife visits ex-President Buhari, Daura Emir, eSports, Kujesa Gaming, French Embassy, partner to empower students in Lagos, Japa. All you need to know about new US visa policy. Profits Spark empowers entrepreneurs with £70,000 in 1 year. CEOs Network Gala now holds at Aso Rock, December 24th. TD Africa reaffirms commitment to empowering youth across Africa. Nigerian businessman Uzochukwu congratulates Ghana President-elect Mahama. Oil producers NMDPRA seek strategic alignment on levy collection. Kiamo commissions flight data center at NCAA headquarters. US provides $400,000 to preserve ancient Nigerian earthworks. Electricity, 750 megawatts added to national grid capacity. Adelabu, Yuletide, Yemasobong donates to Edo internally displaced persons, seek recognition for aid workers. NERC to speed up electricity customer complaint resolution in Kaduna. Anyways, inside the story of the revolutionary behind wig rentals in Nigeria's beauty world. 3 die, 30 injured in Borno University bus accident. NAFDAC destroys 10.9 billion naira expired fake drugs in Oyo. 33,789 benefit from Action Aid project in Kaduna, Kanu. FIFA names Saudi Arabia as host of 2034 World Cup. Governor Alia presents a 550.1 billion naira 2025 budget to Benue Assembly. Oyatala seeks speedy passage of policy on blue economy. Flight resumed at Abuja Airport after cargo plane runway incident. Tinubu seeks deeper business ties with Germany, assures Nigerians open market policies. Emir Sanusi the second to fix another date for installation of district head in Bishi, while Ashake really left YBNL record label. Hawaii launches local cloud services in Nigeria. An early look at the 2025 NBA trade deadline, key players and storylines to watch. Nigerians' behavior is reason we are not like US police, says Delta PPRO. Nigerians' behavior is a reason why we are not like US police, says Delta PPRO. Still on the stories making the headlines on the leadership newspaper this morning, OPSH Troop arrest kidnap kingpin, ammunition courier in Plateau. Nesto professional champions affordable nutrition amid economic hardship. Nesto Professional champions affordable nutrition amid economic hardship. Again, national grid collapses. Senate declares Edo Central senatorial seat vacant, calls for by-election. Fatima Shinkafi commended for reforms in solid minerals development. WICA harps on inclusivity, celebrates women leading Africa's infrastructure development. Comedians Emanuela, success pathway with Mark Angel. Federal government to develop national policy to combat bullying in schools. World Bank to construct 534-kilometer rural roads in Benue. Tinubu hosts German president at State House. Governor Abu Razak is stores Kwara monarch for peace, development in domain. Governor Abu Razak extols Kwara monarch for peace, development in domain. Flight disrupted as cargo airplane skis off Abuja runway. Multi-million naira goods destroyed in Lagos market fire. NAFDAC recalls Dekins amoxicillin 500 mg capsules. Works Ministry BPE boost partnership to end project delays. That's the much we can take from the leadership newspaper this morning. Still on the stories making the headlines on Nigerian newspapers this morning from the leadership newspaper, will flip over to Vanguard newspaper. Nigeria's money supply rises 48% to 107.7 trillion naira. Nigerian who wrote WAEC 17 times backs distinction from London school. Naira depreciates to 1,600 per dollar in parallel market. Court jails Taylor 12 years for raping woman in Puda. Varsity education in tatters. Lecturers can't fuel cars, sleep in offices to cut costs. Tax reform bills. Over 50 nuisance taxes will be scrapped. Federal government. US Embassy issues new visa directive for Nigerian applicants. Still on the stories making the headlines on the Vanguard newspaper this morning. ECOWAS open to Mali, Niger, Burkina Faso's return. Tinubu tells German president. 2027 polls. PDP will overcome internal crisis. Bode George. Tinubu hosts German president Frank Walter in Aso Rock Villa. If I'm an evil person, I won't commission any project in Wike's local government area, Fubara. Emirship Tussle. No going back on installation of Bishi district head, Sanusi. 10 unique Nigerian Christmas traditions. National grid collapses again. Emirship Tussle. No going back on installation of Bishi district head, Sanusi. 5 escape unhurt as a plane skis off Abuja runway, airport shut. 5 smart investment moves to make before Christmas 2024. Death, death of Okwama leaders in military detention. Pandef others demand justice. NYCDG leads search for missing corps member in Rivers. Reps passes bill mandating compulsory training for convicted persons. Nigerian man jailed for defrauding American of 1,000. Nigerian man jailed for defrauding American of $115,000 in Bitcoin scam. Nigerian who wrote WAEC 17 times backs distinction from London school. That's the much we can take from the Vanguard newspaper this morning. From the Vanguard newspaper, we'll flip over to the Punch newspaper. Operators blame forest crisis for high petrol price. Farotimi police allege witnesses intimidation, oppose bail application. Taraba governor's sister allegedly shot by police escort dies. Tax reforms. Reps may resume debate as Southern caucus prepares for talks. Judge remands Yahaya Bello. Lawyers plan a fresh bail application. Relocation dispute. Federal government cancels 64 billion naira Osun Airport project approval. 2027 presidency. Atiku Obi alliance can't unseat Tinubu declares APC. Minimum wage. FCT workers kick over January date. Senate to stop enforcement of electrical standards by states. Lawyer tackles INEC chair for praising Ghanaian election. Tension rises as second Okuama leader dies in military custody. Mother of the boy with spina bifida expresses heartfelt gratitude to Nigerians. Man seeks justice after radiotherapy at UCH damaged his sight. Police nabbed 3 suspects for stealing from Delta Bank customers. 1 killed, 7 injured in Lagos Ibadan Expressway crashes. Abuja school dismisses students' bullying allegations. Abuja school dismisses students' bullying allegations. Father arrested for allegedly killing 2-month-old son. Suspected drug lord gets 100 million naira bail in Lagos. Rivers APC raises panel to probe secretariat bombing. Labour Party restates confidence in Oti, false alleged lopsided appointments. PDP National Working Committee rejects Ugochinere's expulsion by Imo chapter. PDP expels Ugochinyere. 2027 Rose Vivo hints at governorship bid, knocks Lagos spending. Reps candidate dumps ADC over values. 2027 presidency, Nigerians will decide Atiku, replies Akume. That's the much we can take from the Punch newspaper this morning. Still on the stories making the headlines on Nigerian newspapers this morning from the Punch. Tax reforms will make it difficult for states to pay minimum wage. Zamfara governor. Southern reps declare support for Tinubu's tax reform bills. Abiodun Wu's JBS says Ogun ready to partner Brazilian livestock giant. ASU petitions President Tinubu over controversial MOUAU inaugural lecture. Nigerian leaders unite for girl child education in North Central Zone. Nigeria's maritime industry can contribute $44 billion annually. National Nigerian Institution of Marine Engineers and Naval Architects. That's the most we can take from the Daily Post newspaper this morning. Remember that you can become part of the